Hello, this is a very different video today that I want to share with you. For the first time in my life, I bought a planner. I know planners are all the rage, and some people really use it well, but I am not one of those persons. So I was always very hesitant to buy a planner, and but this year I decided I wanted to be more organized, and I've made a few changes in the past couple of months, and they have been working out really well. So I wanted to see if I can actually utilize a planner to my benefit and work things out more efficiently. And but before I open this, I haven't opened this yet. I got this from Amazon, but I haven't opened this yet. I want to open it on camera. But before we do that, I want to show you what I am using right now. This is like an old diary, and I just write stuff in it, all my orders and ideas, and it kind of gets overwhelming, and I kind of yeah, lose track, miss my deadlines and stuff like that, which I want to avoid this year. I want to be more organized, more focused, and I'm hoping that this will help me do that. So let's see and open and go through what it has. So I'll just bring my knife over. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Ooh, I like this. Okay, so it comes in this little portly bag, and okay, I like this, although I feel like okay. And so this is the planner, is from Wagon, and I think I have it. Yeah, this is the correct side. Okay, so it has a spiral bound, some confetti. This is laminated, which is great. And this is the first page. So you have the important dates here. So probably I think I can write birthdays and anniversaries and things like that. And okay, so it has a really nice travel bucket list, travel checklist, and year at a glance. Okay, so my wish list, what's in store. Okay, I like this too. This is nice. Books to read, movies to watch, and whatever I want to try new, what I want to improve on, new skills that I want to develop, and what I'm excited for. I really like this page. And also this is great because it has goals, and they're all kind of categorized into personal development, personal relationships, self-care, and personal growth. And then there are passions that I need to develop, strengths that I need to maintain, weaknesses that I need to work on, and values that I want to imbibe. Okay, this is looking pretty good so far. The paper also is kind of not thick, but not too thin either. I don't know, it might be difficult to work with like a marker or things on this. It might be visible on the other side, but we'll have to try and see. And another good page here that says this year I want to do more of what and less of what. And I think I really like these first few pages because setting goals is really important so that you have something to aim for, to work towards. And yeah, so I want to delve into all these areas and work on this and not be like, aimless, running here and there aimlessly. So yeah, so okay, there's Sudoku here, and then you have this little mug, which is also, I'm a coffee lover, so this is good. And okay, so this is a monthly view page, and you have a habit tracker as well. So if you are trying to inculcate new habits, stick to your habits, I think this is a great tracker. Then you also have a budget tracker. Okay, this is also something that I need because right now everything is on a whim. I just, spend wherever I want to. Then you have more goals, priorities, and this is the weekly spread. And also this is undated, so you can add the date wherever you want. And yeah, this is the weekly spread. So you have so much, so you can continue, like if you have more tasks to cover, I think you can continue here as well. And yes, I like that it's not dated, so I can use it for whatever date I want. And then you get a monthly review sheet. So this says, I'm grateful for my big plans for next month. This month I get stars for, I will try to be better at, lessons and distractions, and more pages for notes. So basically there is like a lot of space to write. uh, and I am not a digital person. If I have to say it out loud, I like writing things with a pen on a paper. And similarly, I don't like reading digital books. I like reading books in my hand, in paper. I need to feel the book. So this thing is actually great for me. I can note down ideas, maybe jot down sketches for my cards and such. And I really like this. I like that it has lots of space and some fun activities too. So that is what's the difference. And then you move on to next month, and you have the same set of pages. You have the weekly spread, and you have the budget for that month here, and then you have like a monthly view, and then you could get to review the whole month and notes. And yeah, another little fun thing here. This says whereas. So I think this will continue for the entire year. And yeah, so it is like different colors I used. I really like this actually. Only thing might be that the paper is thin, but we will see what pen will work great on this. So yeah, and so you have Pictionary, fun graphics. I think this is great. And I have, okay, so this is the end, and you have my triumphs. Let's retrospect. So yeah, so the entire year you can shift here, and then you have some stickers. So this is the monthly sticker. Then you have fun dates that you can add, more stickers, and some more fun stickers. And that's it. And then back is also laminated. So yeah, so all in all, at the first glance, here is what I think of this. Things that I like. So first thing that I really like is that this planner is undated. So that means that you don't necessarily have to start in January. If you feel like you need to use a planner from March or even in the middle of the year, you can start from there, and you can start from say June or July and then continue to the next year as well. That is one thing that I like. Then I like the spreads here. So I like that it has a monthly view. It has an yearly view as well here, I think, in the beginning. Yeah, so it has the yearly view, monthly view, and then it has the weekly spreads. So it's easier to see the whole week at one glance. So this is another thing that I really like. Then the next thing that I like is that it has a lot of free space. So it has like notes and goals, and even in the week you have so much space to write. And then at the end you get to write in the notes, and then you have the review page where you can write. So it's up to you how you want to fill it. And if you like writing much, you can like fill it completely. If you are less of a writer, you can just jot down points. So it gives you a lot of free space to move around, and it's not very strict, so you can treat it as you like. The next thing that I like is these little activities. So there is one activity in the beginning of every month, and I think it's just a little fun thing that you can add to a planner. And if you're bored, or if you're not able to focus, you want to take some time off, you can just go and do one little activity. Next thing I like are the stickers. So you have these stickers. You can see that this is the monthly sticker. So you can take this out and even create little tabs. So I can add it on the edge here and create monthly tabs. And there are plenty of stickers actually here. I love that. And okay, and what else? What else? Okay, so next thing I like is that um, it covers almost all the important things. So you have your wish list, you have your travel bucket list, you have the goals, you have the basic, all the things that you want in a planner. It has everything, so important dates and everything. So I like that. The things that I do not like the fact that it is spiral binded, because I'm a clumsy person. My stuff is everywhere. I'm not a very sophisticated person. I don't really take care of my stuff. So, and if you were to believe my husband, he's named me Tumblr. So I'm always just slipping and falling, and so do my things. They're always falling here and there. So I don't know if this binding, with this binding, this planner will survive a year. I'm afraid that the pages might, tear off or something. But we will see. It's something that we'll have to see by the end of the year. And then another thing that I don't like, or I'm a little bit, I have doubts, is the thickness of the paper. I'm not sure. I feel that it's a little on the thinner side, but I'm worried that it might, like, show through on the other side of the page. Again, another thing that we will have to see. And I think that's it. I think another thing that I don't like is, so yeah, so the next thing that I do not like, absolutely do not like, is this bag that it came in. uh it's not a cotton bag. It doesn't seem like one. It's like more of a synthetic kind of a feel. And it's the first impression of the book. So I don't know, I was a little disappointed. It came in loose. It wasn't even tied in properly, like that. So you can see, like, I was excited to see a bag, but then when I saw the quality of the bag, I did not like it. So I think it would have been better if they just skipped the bag altogether. But otherwise, I am pretty okay, pretty happy with the planner, and I am very excited to start using it. um, and okay, so last point is the price point. Yeah, so this, I think, costed me $8.99. And compared to other planners that are available online, this, I think, by far is the cheapest in the category. And I got this because I wasn't sure how well I will use a planner, so I didn't want to spend like too much money on it. I wanted to first, take my time and see if this would actually be useful for me, for a person who is very spontaneous and who likes to things on the go with the flow. So yeah, maybe if this works out, I would definitely like to go for a planner from Alicia D'Souza, or maybe the Ink Bucket. They have gorgeous planners, and I am very tempted to buy one. But I didn't want to spend that much amount at the beginning. I wanted to see how things will go. So that's it. That's it. I think I've covered all the things here. And let me know if you find this video helpful. It was a different kind of a video, and I unboxed it, and I'm even doing the voiceover right here while shooting. Normally I do voiceovers later on, but I thought it would be better to give you the actual reaction and how I felt when I opened the package. So there it is. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the video. Let me know if you are a planner person. If you are, then which planners do you use? I would love to know that. So that's it from today, and yeah, take care. Bye bye.